Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Happy Monday. It's a brand new week, and I'm back with new remote job opportunities. We're going to be focusing on primarily healthcare jobs. In this video, we have IT jobs within healthcare, so we're going to talk about all of those. Let's dive right in. The first opportunity that I'm going to be talking about is with Nordic. Nordic is looking for a clinical service desk agent, and this position is a role where you are primarily focusing on assisting employees to navigate the EHR system, which is a clinical system that is being utilized by Nordic, and help resolve different issues that potentially can come up by using the systems. So with this role, you are going to be expected to provide troubleshooting type of issue resolution steps. You are also going to be helping to escalate issues as they become appropriate. You are also expected to focus on and help different staff in a professional and empathetic manner. What are the requirements for this role? They want 2+ years experience in any of EHR systems. If you have worked in healthcare before and you were in IT, this should be something that should be easy to attain. They are also asking for 2 years of healthcare experience in any position, so be it super user, clinician, and so forth. And they're asking for 2 years of customer service experience. Beyond that, everything else are more skill set. They want to make sure you understand healthcare technology. They want to make sure you understand basic IT type of information. They also want to make sure that you are able to speak in an excellent manner, both verbally as well as in writing. They also want to make sure that you have flexibility to work nights, weekends, and holidays. And then they do have other desired or preferred experience, excellence in call center type of environment, also 1 year experience working with IT systems and so forth. So if you have those, I definitely continue to encourage you guys to call those out in your resume. And for this position, the salary, according to my research, is about $32,000 to $47,000 per year. The next position is also with Nordic, and it is IT service desk agent level 1. This position, very similar to the first one. You are also going to be helping to troubleshoot issues related to access in general, making sure people that are working from home actually have access to get into the system so they can do their jobs. So that's really what this role is going to be focusing on: network connection, VPN, and so forth, and any type of workflow related type of issues. They are requiring 2 years of customer service, 1 year of proven performance in call center or IT support, 1 year of experience troubleshooting issues, Microsoft Windows operating systems, and so forth, great understanding of Linux, Mac, etc. 1 year experience working with ITS systems, so Zendesk, Remedy, and so forth. ServiceNow is the most popular of them, as well as Zendesk, but definitely if you have any of these, call them out on your resume. And then preferences for skills, they're asking for industry specific certification. They want you to be bilingual in English and Spanish. They want you to be able to troubleshoot a Mac versus Windows. Those are the main requirements for this position, as well as the description. Obviously, they want you to be able to work from home, because this is a US remote work from home position. And with this position, the salary is between $39,000 and $49,000 per year. That is the salary range for this particular role. The next position that I'm going to be talking about is with Ciox. I have done quite some videos on Ciox, and right now Ciox is looking for health information operations supervisor. This position was just recently open, and with this position, as it implies, you are going to be leading and training others to do the work, which has to do with tracking of health information, making sure that it's documented correctly, and so forth. So with this position, you are going to lead the audit team. You're going to assist to review data. You're going to assist to ensure that All data that have been reviewed are cleared and approved accordingly. You are going to participate in different team projects and so forth. So coordinate with different locations, kind of just ensuring that any outstanding issues are being resolved timely, and also primarily making sure that whatever concerns that are raised, or if there are anything that the team needs to remove barriers, you will be the point person for those because you will be their direct supervisor. What are the requirements for this position? With this position, they are asking for you to have true leadership philosophy. They're asking for you to be able to support clients, support your team, support your stakeholders, and so forth. It's more of an entry-level leadership role. With this position, 1 to 2 years of health information related experience is needed. With this role, they also want you to have some knowledge of Microsoft Office, Power BI, and so forth. What are some preferred qualifications that they are looking for? With this position, EMR experience with Epic or Cerner is important. You can see the salary right here, which is between $22 and $25 per hour for this position. The next opportunity, also with SciEx, is remote HCC auditing specialist. This position has about 10 positions open right now, and they are accepting applications. And with this position, the salary range is between $29 and $33 per hour. And what are the responsibilities for this position? You're going to be auditing coded charts. You're going to be ensuring that primarily all diagnoses that are assigned to patients are at 95 to 100% accuracy. You want to make sure that any of the auditors or codes that are being put in are aligning with requirements accordingly, and also that they are aligning primarily with the case itself. Another big part of this position is you're going to be providing coders ongoing education by identifying missed or incorrect ICD-10 codes, or missing or inappropriate client-based notes. So really just making sure that codes that are being billed appropriately and in accordance with the services that has been offered. They want 2 years of coding experience, 1+ year of auditing experience. High school diploma is required. They are also asking for you to be certified in any of these certifications: RIA, RITS, CCS, or APC certified credentials, CPC, CPCH, COC, and so forth are required for this particular role. Extensive knowledge of ICD-10 is important for this role, and they're asking for it to be full-time and minimum 40 hours per week. All right, we're going to move on to the next and the last role, which is with United Health Group. United Health Group is looking for a clinical administrative coordinator. However, there's a new twist to the specifications of this role. With this particular position, they're asking for you to be remote in Eastern or Central time zone. So that's the only major requirements with this position. It's a full telecommute position. However, they are just asking for you to live in Eastern or Central time zone. With this position, you're going to be managing intake of members. You're going to be working with hospitals, clinics, facilities to manage requests that come in for members. You are going to be providing resolutions as quickly as possible when issues are identified. So really just focusing on some of the issues that could potentially come through navigating members through the system. That is where this role will come in. Okay. With this position, requirements: high school diploma, 2 years of professional experience in a call center or an office environment, and so forth. 1 year of experience working within a fast-paced environment. They are also asking for you to be able to work hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. And it makes sense because the hours are being specified here. So you want to make sure that you are actually available to work those hours, and they want to make sure that you're comfortable using computers. Preferred qualifications for this position: if you have a bachelor's degree, definitely call that out. That is a preference. And then experience working in a hospital, physician office, and so forth. All of those you want to call out in your resume. In addition to that, knowledge of ICD-10, CPT codes, knowledge of Medicare as well as Medicaid is important here. So you want to make sure to call those out. The salary range is actually between $16 and $31.44, but that's highly dependent on where you reside. It's a full-time position that is open to everyone. You just need to reside in Eastern or Central time zone. So those are the opportunities, guys. I hope you find it helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Turn your notification bell on so you get notified when I do post new videos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.